Oh my gosh. Hello guys.
Selfie, selfie.
We're literally making a video. We're making a video.
Kaya nga, I'm just lifting the because it covers your this one. Yeah, you have to lift like that so that it will not cover the top. Okay?
Okay, so hello guys. Today we have a new member.
Tashi?
Yes.
Me?
She is Japanese. She's our cousin. Say something in Japanese.
Ma. You're a picker.
What about you?
She will post it on YouTube.
Oh yeah.
The two of you are new members, she said. What? Can you say something in Japanese for her video? Yeah, for her video. Konnichiwa.
Everybody already knows konnichiwa. Yeah.
That's okay. Bro, why are you even judging?
We listen and we don't judge.
Myself.
By the way,
Picture. Picture. Who is the tallest? You're the tallest because I'm wearing. Ever. Picture. Sky. Nagsasandal sa akin.
oh my gosh. So by the way, oh bye-bye. Hello. Mana Isa. Say hi to the video.
Parang kurso din ang akin. Yeah, I'm taller than you, Ika.
Bye.
Because I'm using...
Guys, who's more taller? I'm gonna show to the view. Who's more taller? Ate is wearing shoes and high Crocs pala. That's why she's tall. By the way, she's just 9 years old.
Don't remove your sleepers. You don't have any...
Go! Who's the tallest?
Tallest si ate.
This one. This one is the tallest.
Yeah. It's Prate Kai.
What? Yo, bro! Yo, bro!
Ngayon ko lang naalala. Hinahanap ko nga.
One of Ning. 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 Yeah, bro. Let's go, bro.
Bye-bye. Oh, nag-interview na.
So, by the way, so guys,